Ready to transform your 3D skills? Discover the power of Blender with RJ Software Service. At RJ Software Service, we specialize in expert training for Blender, the ultimate free, open-source 3D creation tool. From beginners to seasoned pros, our tailored sessions and hands-on support ensure you master everything from 3D modeling and character design to scene creation and rendering. Blender is your all-in-one suite for modeling, rigging, animation, and more, constantly updated and backed by a vibrant community. And guess what? It's absolutely free. Why choose us? Our passionate instructors are industry professionals dedicated to guiding you step by step. Learn through practical projects, get personalized support, and see your creative ideas come to life. Our students rave about the transformative impact of our training. Many have gone on to achieve incredible success in their 3D projects. So, ready to unlock your full potential? Join RJ Software Service today and start creating stunning 3D visuals with Blender. Visit our website for more details. Your journey to becoming a 3D wizard starts here.